How to turn on and off iPhone without power button. Hi everybody, in this video I'll show you the procedure on how can you turn an iPhone off without using a power button. You could utilize settings or control center or maybe a scene. For turning off, you could also use AssistiveTouch if the screen is unresponsive. Now here's what you could do is open up settings, then you want to scroll down a bit, go to the general section. As you're taken to the general section, you'll then be able to see this options. Scroll down a bit and simply want to go ahead and click on general. As you click on a general option, then you'll be able to see the other interface. As you scroll down a bit, you could see this option shut down. You simply want to click that out and you'll be able to see this option is slide to power off, and this is how you could turn on and off your iPhone without a power button. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.